Hi freelancers! So many of you reach out to me and ask if I offer a personal coaching, freelancing coaching, and my response has always been I am way too busy at the moment and I cannot offer a personal one-on-one coaching. And that got me thinking of a better way to really help you, to really connect with you and offer a more personalized help to each and every one of you. And I decided to start something new. I decided to open a Facebook group that is going to be for freelancers, any beginner to freelancing who need my help and assistance and really connect with other freelancers. And I opened this Facebook group. It is going to be completely free to join and participate in the group. You are going to have access to me in the group. If you have, maybe you write a proposal, you want a feedback on it, you can share it in the group and I'm going to provide you my personal feedback. If you create your portfolio, you can share the portfolio and ask for feedback. I will share my personal feedback with you, and any other members of the group can also share their feedback and take inspiration from each other. And if you have any specific challenge, you encounter any specific challenge, you can post it in the group and I am going to be active in the group and I will respond to your questions and I will offer my personal help, my personal tips and in anything that you encounter in your freelancing journey. And this group is going to be completely 100% free. So I'm going to put a link to that group in the description of this video. You can just go to the link and join the group, request to join the group. Make sure you answer all the questions before you join the group and you will be approved and we will connect even deeper in the group and ultimately help you get started in your freelancing career and find your first client, your next client, and ultimately become a successful freelancer. So go to the link in the description of this video and I will see you in the group.